the doctor, and the doctor said... You want to drop it? You didn't mean to get your block. What did the doctor say, Katie? Yay! You want to sing again? Mom called the doctor, and the doctor said... Yay! Are you gonna play that instrument for yourself while you sing? Maybe we shouldn't put that in our mouth.
No, Maggie.
Wow. All right, Katie, can you say bye-bye to everyone at home? Bye-bye to everyone at home. Not your home, honey. Don't worry. It's okay. Are you saying bye-bye to, like, Grandma and Grandpa and Nana?